Caroline and I are working real hard to bring you guys content.
But that doesn't mean we don't have a great time doing it.
So do us a favor and subscribe.
Hey, I need a 7/8 wrench.
Okay. $5 a.m. We're loading you up to go to Charlotte Auto Fair. We got a 4-hour drive. We're gonna get there right at the time the show opens, and we are gonna have a blast today. And special guest, Jeff from Type 4 Revolution is coming to Charlotte Auto Fair with the HHWheels crew today. Jeez.
No, I will shut your hand in the door.
What are we doing here? What are we doing here?
I'm Jeff.
I'm James, and we're at the 2021 Auto Fair
In Charlotte Motor Speedway. Stay tuned.
Glorified photographer.
Instagram, baby. Check it out.
Right, I just purchased a 1968-69 Dodge Charger door, which is painted General Lee orange from this guy. What's your name?
Yeah, my name's Austin Taylor, and I scored this from an old friend of mine. His nickname is One-Eyed Jack, and he was huge into Mopar cars and stuff like that, and he collected them and basically stripped them all down and stored all the parts in his attic, and it was untouched since the 80s when I stumbled across everything. And he had 2 of these doors, and I picked up both of them from them and sold one to my best friend and held on to this one and put a good paint job on it, and that's basically it, man.
I'm stoked to have it.
Yep,
Thanks,
awesome.
man.
Absolutely,
Thank you very
brother.
much.
Hope
Really
you enjoy
appreciate
it.
So I totally want to buy this sidecar because I think my wife would be really awesome riding in that on my motorcycle. Or Sprocket, the Wonder Dog, would be awesome in that. Hey, yo, Chris, how's the show going for you?
Good.
You having fun?
Yeah.
You buy anything cool?
No. Did you get anything?
What are you thinking about? We're sitting here in turn 4 Charlotte Motor Speedway. This is pretty badass, isn't it?
Yeah.
You seen any cool cars yet?
There was a bandit car I just went by. What's the beverage?
Oh, you missed the beverage.
Oh, yeah.
Here with Adam from ARH Designs, and they have brought one of the coolest cars that I've seen at this show the whole time. Adam, can you tell me a little bit about this car?
Yeah, it's a 1927 Ford Roadster replica that we built. So it's a all hand-built chassis with a 27 Speedster nose, ex Hendrix Goody Stash race engine with a Pro Charger on it. So it's a fun little car. It's got acrylic floors in it, all-tube chassis, air ride in the back. It's a good little 1,500 pound car, 650 horsepower. So fun little street driver.
Is that a V6 in it?
Yes. Yeah, back in the late 80s, early 90s, they had a Goody Dash series, and they ran V6 motors. That's one of those motors. We just changed the compression ratio in it and added a supercharger so we could run pump gas, but it still makes 600 plus horsepower.
Halfway through the day here at Charlotte Motor Speedway, it is a hot one today. We thought it was going to be kind of nice, but Trying to be a little roasty toasty. We found a couple of really cool things here. We're gonna walk the other half of the track and see if we can find something else.
Hey, I got an idea.
Let's go do it.
Are you ready to do this?
Oh yeah.
All right, we're gonna get spun around and
Donuts.
donuts. Do I have to put my seatbelt on?
Yep.
Damn it! Keep going. You ready for this? I'm ready for this.
That was awesome.
All right, I guess we figured out exactly where all the tire screeching was coming from. That was epic,
I would call it success.
for sure. This has been an epic day here at the 2021 Auto Fair here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Well, Concord, actually. What do you guys think? You guys have a good day?
It's an awesome day.
Everybody pick something up and buy something? Get some
Couple
cool
things here
stuff?
and there.
All right, get out there and get to a car show.
Shotzi swap.
Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.